If you want to draw attention to specific products in your Shopify store, then you might want to add a badge to the product card. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that without using apps. I've got a featured collection on my homepage, and let's say I want to add a bestseller badge to this dark denim top. There are two things that need to be done. I need to assign a bestseller tag to this product, and I also need to modify the source code to display the badge. I'm going to start by assigning a tag through the Shopify admin. Go to Products, select the right product, add a bestseller tag, and save. Now it's time to modify the source code, but before doing that, you should create a backup theme and make the changes inside the backup in case you mess things up. Click the three dots, edit code, and search for card-product.liquid. If you're using a paid theme, then it might not have this file name. In that case, I would do a search for card and see what comes up. I'm going to click inside the file, use the Control F keyboard shortcut to search for card__badge. There are actually two matches for this search term, so make sure you're on the first one. In my case, it's on line 122. This is basically the code that's responsible for adding the sold out badge and the sale badge. What I'm going to do is add a condition that checks if the product has a bestseller tag, and if it does, then the product card will display a bestseller badge. The code snippet that I'm writing is going to be in the description, so you can just copy it from there. Let's go back to the home page and see the changes. And there's the badge. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, then leave a comment. I'm a freelance Shopify developer, so if you need help with your Shopify store, then join my Facebook group and make a post or message me directly. I'll get back to you as soon as possible with a quote. I'm hoping to create a space where people can actually get help and guidance. It's not going to be one of those spammy groups that is filled with random garbage. So definitely join the Facebook group. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.